Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, a long bridge here. The construction is going on the I river, Chirang, Assam, Bodoland. The people were suffering a lot for several years, but after completion of this bridge they won't have to suffer anymore. So today I have come here to pick up my husband, and I thought why not I should share about this bridge with you. So this is the bridge. Newly construction is going on, not yet completed. People are crossing this river by small boat. Since today boat is not sailing, my husband is coming by walk through the bridge, but I can't see him. He is somewhere there. It's not visible. As you can see, these two boys are climbing on the ladder. This ladder is given for the laborers to climb up and work up there. But if the boat is not sailing, people used to cross this river through this bridge. You see the view from here. People are leaving their vehicle under this bridge because when they're crossing through this bridge they can't take their vehicle because the road is not yet completed. The new way will be made this side. I was thinking that I can climb on this ladder too, and then I finally climbed up, and it was like grand success for me. But after climbing, my feet, my body was shaking, shivering, and I met my husband. Let me show you the view from the above, and the bridge is kind of like this. There he is, my husband. He's trying to climb down, get down through this ladder. You have to climb down like this. It's a bit scary. Dear friends, please subscribe my channel as much as possible, and like, share. Let me show you the view from the other side. It looks green and beautiful, right? It looks kind of like this from above. And now it's the time for me to get down. It's scary.
Oh, it's so tiresome. Now I climb down again. We'll have to this way. Down, down, down. Oh my God. Yeah. There he is. Yeah. I climb up this bridge today. Grand success
Just
for me.
few months left
Funny.
to be completed. By the January or February of 2024 we can walk on this river bridge. Now we'll go back home. Bye bye friends.